Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to blur an image in Photopea. Let's begin. First of all, open your Photopea software. Then select your image. Okay. Step 1. Use something blur. Right click. Select blur tool. Straight 50% or 100% as your wish. Resize. Press bracket and use something blur. And use fully blur. Open this image, go to filter tab and blur gallery, fill blur, iris blur, average blur, box blur, Gaussian blur, lens blur as you wish. Click any blur options and focus distance, radius, angle, brightness. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.